Hi Nikita, as I promised, I will do videos for you how to do the third layer you wanted to learn. I will make 4 videos for you, so it will be easier for you to learn. Don't worry, it's not too much. You need to be concentrating a little bit, but I think there should be no problems. At least I hope. Any problems, you tell me in a message. So let's get started. So after you finish your first 2 layers, you have the problem how to do the third one. So you probably hold your cube with the white on the top. You flip it around and hold with the yellow on the top. So after you finish your first 2 layers, you can bump into 4 different cases. Oh yeah, what do we want to do? So after you finish our first 2 layers, we want to do a yellow cross here. And we don't care about what color is under the cross yet now. We just let's have a cross here, anyhow colored on the side. So don't look at the corner pieces, just care about these pieces. So case number 1 is when you have a line like this and 2 colored edges here, a line. Case number 2 is when you have an L shape here. Case number 3 is when you have only a dot in the cross in the middle and 4 colored edges here. And the 4th case is obviously when you already have a cross here. So how to do these cases? Let's start with case number 1, the line case. So you hold the cube with the yellow on the top and with the line parallel to you, like water, you know. So it doesn't matter how you hold, either this way, just hold the line parallel to you. So I will try to do it slowly so you can follow, but it won't be easy, but try. So you turn the front clockwise to right, turn the right up, turn the top one to the right, and bring everything back, back, once again. You hold the line parallel to you. So again, front clockwise, right one up, top one right, bring back this one back, top one back, front one back. There, cross. Case number 2, the L shape, is not that much different, just a little bit. So you hold the L shape like this, and instead of turning the front one in the beginning here, you turn the first 2 in the front like this to the right, and everything is similar. This one up, right, and back, this one back, this one back, and the first two back, not just the front, and you will get cross again, once again. L shape, hold it like this, turn the first two to the right one here, top one to the right, and bring everything back, this one back, this one back, and the first two back, here, cross again. Third case, is when you have a dot. You don't have to learn any new combinations more. If you know case number 1 and case number 2, then you can do case number 3. To do case number 3, you do the combinations for case 1 and do case 2 after that, or opposite, do case 2 or case 1. So what this means, let's say if you imagine you have an L, a line shape here, and you do the line combination, you will get an L, so you can do the L combination as I showed you before. Or if you they do L combination first in imagination, then you will get a line, so you can do the line. So I will show. So if you, let's do the line combination here. Hold it anyhow you like. To do the line, you turn just the first front to the right one up, this one to the right, and bring everything back, the right one back, the top one back, and the front one back. See? And now you will get the L combination. And let's do first two on the front, right one up, top one to the right, and bring everything back, right one back, top one back, front one back. Oh, somehow, okay, it was small mistake, but never mind, that's how you do it. Or I do it quickly with the L in the beginning for you. So if you do an L here, front two, right one up, top one right, this one back, this one back, this one, then you will get the line, and you do the same. Front one, this one up, this one right, back, 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 and there you have a cross. And fourth case is when you already have the cross. So that's it for third layer video part 1.